Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about the new flashlight from Nitecore, the EDC09. I was a huge fan of the Nitecore EDC23, an excellent everyday carry flashlight, but I think this version here has some better features compared to this model. Both versions are not flashlights with a traditional design, it's more on the modern side, but both are excellent for EDC. I have to mention that this is not only a tabletop review, we will go outside and test this flashlight by night. But let's go through the different features. The new version has the better pocket clip in my opinion, because this one here is a two-way pocket clip. It's perfect to attach this flashlight, for example, on the belt. You can carry it in the pockets, and it's also possible to attach the flashlight with a two-way pocket clip on the base cap. You have three different modes: low, medium and high. The switch is excellent and it's easy to operate this flashlight with gloves. When the flashlight is on, you can change the color of the light. And depending on your needs, you can choose an ultra low, or let's call it firefly mode, with the switch here. The tail is magnetic to attach this flashlight to a metal surface. And the adjustable head can come very handy for different EDC tasks. You can also see the different features or specifications on the box, and I think more than 150 meters is more than enough for EDC. And the flashlight is rechargeable via USB-C. And a really cool feature in my opinion is the charging indicator here. The flashlight comes with a USB-C charging cable, a lanyard, and a very useful diffusor cap. You also get the standard paperwork, for example the manual or the warranty card. All in all, I'm really happy with this cool EDC flashlight, and I think the EDC world is a perfect environment for this Nitecore, but let's go outside and put it to the test. This Nitecore flashlight is an excellent EDC companion, and it was a great companion during 2 night hikes.